Welcome to our video on searching for openly licensed media, or open media. If you haven't watched the other videos on open licenses and Creative Commons, please do so before continuing. Those videos will help you understand the significance of searching for and using open media. You can find the videos at guides.cmcc.edu/openmedia. What do we mean by open media? Well, let's start with media. By media, we mean images, videos, drawings, audio, music, and more. By open, we mean openly licensed. This is a type of license that allows the creator to both maintain copyright and give others permission to use their works without fear of copyright infringement. These new licenses come from an organization called Creative Commons. Creative Commons provides a system of licenses that allows the creators to determine exactly how they want their content to be used. For a more in-depth explanation of the licenses, see the document Creative Commons Licenses Explained or watch the video about Creative Commons. All of this information can be easily found on the subject guide recreated for you called Openly Licensed Media. Again, visit guides.cmcc.edu/openmedia. So where do we find open media? Creative Commons, the same organization that created the open licenses, created a tool called CC Search. This tool pulls free content from the public domain and content under Creative Commons licenses from 22 various providers into one place. According to their website, CC Search searches across more than 300 million images and has plans to add additional media types such as open text and audio with the goal of providing access to all 1.4 billion CC licensed and public domain works on the web. Let's get started. First, navigate to CC Search by typing in the direct link search.creativecommons.org or by searching for it in your preferred search engine. From this screen, simply type in your search terms to begin. You can also indicate if you want media that can be used for commercial purposes, meaning you can sell it, or if you want media that can be modified or adapted, meaning you can make changes to the original item. For now, let's just search using the search box. As an example, we will search for open media of dogs. Once we've performed the search, on the next page we will see the search bar and the term we searched, the search button, a filter button, the number of photos retrieved in our search, and the actual media. If we decide we need to narrow our results, we can either update our search terms or select Filter on the right-hand side of the screen. To narrow your search, select Filter. Now we have the option to filter our results by what we can do with the media, by license type, and by providers. You can also select to search by creator. Checking this box will change the search term from a keyword to the name of the author. If you selected one of the filtering options, the filter button will indicate this by changing color and adding a small check to the upper right corner of the filter button. Another thing to keep in mind is that you can choose more than one filter at a time. And you can either remove each filter individually by clicking the X on each tab, or you can select Clear Filters to remove them all at once. Once you have found an image that you like, click on it to see its information. The top of the screen hosts a Back to Search Results option to allow easy navigation back to the other photos. Under the photo on the left-hand side, you will see three tabs: Attribution, Info, and Share. The Attribution tab shows the text you include if you decide to use this image. Attributions, which are different from the citations you use in formal writing, include the title of the media, the creator, and the type of license that is attached to the image. Each of these pieces includes a hyperlink. The title of the media is hyperlinked to the original media. The creator's name, which can also be a pseudonym, is linked to the creator's profile or web page if it's available, and the license is linked to the Creative Commons page that explains the license. A copy-rich text button is also available to assist in easily copying and pasting the attribution to your blog or document. HTML code for embedding the image and the attribution to your web page is also available. Simply select Copy HTML. Under the Info tab, you will find the information as listed in the attribution, such as title, creator, and license, as well as the source or provider and the dimensions of the image in pixels. The Share tab contains social media buttons for easily sharing the image. The bottom portion of the page also shows tags which relate back to your original search term. Below tags is an area of related images. These images are related in the sense that they are all connected to the same creator. To download or save the photo, you can either save it from CC Search or go to the original media location. To save from CC Search, right-click on the photo and select Save Image As. Choose a place to save it, edit the file name as needed, and select Save. To save from the original media location, select the hyperlinked title and click the download icon on the bottom right of the picture. Choose the size you wish to download and select it. It is always a good idea to go to the original site and confirm that the license is accurate. You can also search for open media using Google's image search. To begin, navigate to Google or directly to Google Images. Type in your search term to begin. Once your results have loaded, click on Tools and select the drop-down Usage Rights. From here, select the usage type you want. Labeled for use with modification is going to allow you the most permissions, and labeled for non-commercial reuse will allow you the least permissions. Simply going with labeled for reuse will allow you to find images you can use for free. By selecting that option, any images that maintain an original copyright license are removed. Select the image you wish to use, and select the title to go to the original site. Here you can verify the license attached to the media, as well as download the content and create your attribution. As always, if you need additional assistance or have questions, please contact your librarians in the Learning Commons or visit us at www.cmcc.edu/library.